8 men hold more wealth than the 4 billion poorest people on Earth. Just let that sink in. And every time the news says Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk made another 10 billion overnight, the internet yells the same thing. Cool, write a check and fix world hunger already. But here's the truth. It's not that simple. The reasons billionaires don't give it all away are sneakier, more strategic, and built into the system itself. And today, we're pulling back the curtain. Oh, and before we dive in, welcome to my brand new channel. If you're passionate about money, wealth, and the ideas that shape our world, I'd love your support. Hit that subscribe button and be part of this journey from the very start. When we imagine billionaires giving it all away, we picture Scrooge McDuck cracking open a vault of gold coins. Reality check. That vault is mostly air. Take Elon Musk. In 2021, his net worth jumped $150 billion, but that was Tesla stock, not cash. If he sold that stock to donate, the market would crash, the price would collapse, and poof, half the gift would vanish before a single charity saw a dime. Even when billionaires do give, it's usually through private foundations. By law, they only have to give away 5% a year. The rest, 95%, keeps growing. The Gates Foundation, for example, has promised to close by 2045, but projections show it could actually double in size before then. Translation, they'll give it away, after multiplying it first. Then, there are donor-advised funds, DAFs. These are like locked safes where billionaires park money, grab the tax break today, and maybe donate someday. No deadline, no transparency. By 2023, more than $140 billion sat waiting in these charity black holes. Here's the kicker. Even when the money leaves their accounts, it rarely leaves their control. Foundations and LLCs allow billionaires and their heirs to decide what gets funded, whether it's schools, health policy, or media, without a single vote from the public. Instead of salaries, billionaires borrow against their stock, pay minimal taxes, and let assets grow. Giving it away early would break that cycle. That's why Warren Buffett gifts stock every year. Yet Berkshire keeps compounding so fast, his fortune never really shrinks. And of course, there's legacy. A one-time giant donation fades. A slow stream of billions buys decades of headlines, foundations, and buildings with your name carved in stone. Bill Gates, the donor, will be remembered far longer than Bill Gates, the CEO. Even if Bezos dumped $100 billion into malaria nets tomorrow, supply chains couldn't absorb it. Factories would break, corruption would rise, and prices would explode. Responsible nonprofits cap donations because scale can do harm if rushed. And billionaires aren't just battling spreadsheets, they're battling each other. Why should Musk bankrupt himself for climate change if Exxon keeps drilling? Everyone waits for rules while quietly lobbying against them. Philanthropy also buys legitimacy. A $10 billion climate pledge makes headlines, softens regulators, boosts stock prices, and distracts from the fact the donor's company polluted more last month than the pledge will fix in years. So next time you see a headline about billionaires pledging their fortunes, remember, 1. Most of that fortune is tied up in stocks. 2. The legal tools slow the money to a crawl. 3. Even when the cash moves, it stays under billionaire control. This isn't just about greed. It's about a system designed to preserve power, even when it looks like generosity. So why don't billionaires just give away all their money? The truth is, they can't, they won't. And even if they did, the system would just create new billionaires tomorrow. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe. Next week, we're exposing how the ultra-rich legally live on private islands without paying taxes anywhere. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Should billionaires give it all away, or is strategic giving the smarter path? And don't just scroll past, smash that like button, share this video, and ring the bell, because this is only the beginning.